You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Roman emperor, former Roman emperor, of course, from history. If you want to learn how to pronounce his Latin name, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned, I'll link to it at the end of this one. Aurelian is generally how it's pronounced. That's the English name, his English version of his name. Aurelian.
Aurelian.
No, not Aurelian. It's generally pronounced as Aurelian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.